how to use same WhatsApp account on two phones. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to link your two phones to the same WhatsApp account? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your WhatsApp app and then go to settings on the bottom right. Now you can see the QR code option right there beside your name. So you can see that the QR code is available like this. So open the QR code from one phone and then go to another phone and go to linked devices. Tap on it and then tap on linked device, and then you'll need to scan the QR code, and that's it. When you scan the QR code from another device, your WhatsApp will be linked and you can use same WhatsApp on two phones. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.